Today we're going to be looking at a folding luggage cart. And as you can see, it is a nice tiny little cart specifically for hauling luggage. And I would think that this would be considered a carry-on with your luggage. Usually you're going to have one thing a piece that goes with your luggage, so if you need that, something to go with your luggage and you need it to carry along with you, this would be that. With some nice little straps. You can see that all folds out whenever it comes out. And then there's a little handle up here at the top to pull that up. And then, really? So here's the one that I usually use. So we can actually use the straps to hold this down. So just go ahead and bring it around and strap it on. And you have a nice little luggage cart to be able to haul around whatever you want. Super simple, super light, very portable. So there you go. Also, if you have one of the pieces of luggage that have the slide on the back of it, you can just slide it over top of this to hold it that way, and then you don't even need the straps at all. But super simple, very light, and I like that it comes with the straps. Just a nice little extra, especially for pieces of luggage like this one that doesn't have the flap on the back so that you can haul it that way. So something I want to point out is this thing flips forward so that it gives it not only more room for your luggage to sit on, but also gives a place for the strap to connect to, like that. And I do like the way these straps are because you can literally put your finger in them and just pull them off like that. That's nice. Let's go check it out. So if you're looking for something like this, I do not think that you will be disappointed. So check it out.